job, Soco. Good place. Yes. Okay, so I wanted to show you this progression we've been working on. She already knows place, but I'm trying to get her to go to her place when she hears the doorbell. And that'll help with the door manners and remaining calm. I actually want that to be one of her cues. So what I'm doing is I'm ringing the bell, and I'm just taking a step towards her bed. If that's not enough to get her on the bed, which it has been, one big step, but your place is going to be further away than this one. If that's not enough, then I'm pointing, but I'm separating the two, the footstep and the point. I'm not even saying place, I'm just ringing the bell and stepping and pointing. Because eventually that's the cue I want her to go to it on. So let me get some more treats and I'll show you again. Soco, come! And she placed herself there. That was a volunteer position, so I didn't need to reward her for coming off of that one. Ready, Soco? Good. Place. Good. And then the other thing that's important to note is I'm walking up to her to reward her. I'm not releasing her. Good. Yes. Until I've rewarded her on the place once or twice. So we'll do one more. Here, this one I'm going to try something a little different. Sit. No, sit. Stay. So here I'm going to put a treat on the bed so she's running to a treat. So hopefully she'll go a little faster. No. Sit. Come. Sit. Good. Sit. Good. That worked a little better for her. Good girl. Good girl. Yes. So we're not quite there with the week of training, but we're getting pretty close. Good place. Come. She just hasn't quite figured out to go away from me yet. Sit. Sit. Stay. Good girl! That was perfect. That was absolutely perfect. I did take a step, but she kind of went before I even stepped. So I'm going to jackpot this and end on that. Good girl. Good girl. Yes. That's a good girl. But that's how it should look.